Hello and welcome. I'm Mary with GotSafety, here with today's lesson on forklifts and how to safely operate around pedestrians. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a moment of discussion, we encourage you to do so. Driving a forklift near pedestrians requires additional safety precautions that may not otherwise be needed. High traffic areas are more likely to have accidents, and there are extra steps that can be taken to protect your safety and the safeties of others around you. This lesson will primarily focus on what to do in high traffic areas and what pedestrians' responsibilities are when operating around a forklift. Whether you work on a loading dock, a warehouse, or in shipping yard, general forklift safety rules must be followed at all times during any kind of forklift operations. The following safety precautions are steps that must be taken in addition to the general rules anywhere pedestrians may be likely. Sound the forklift horns when entering blind corners, doorways, or aisles. Sound the horn before backing up if there is no backup alarm. Never use your cell phone while operating a forklift. Move slowly through areas with heavy traffic and pay close attention to your surroundings. Please note if pedestrians or a forklift travels across your path, you should stop. Do not move until the person or forklift completely passes by, and proceed cautiously through intersections or heavily congested areas. Do not move the forklift forward if you do not have a clear view of travel. Never allow riders unless there is a seat specifically intended for passengers. Use a spotter if you need to in order to navigate a crowded area or tight spaces. Use eye contact and hand signals to indicate to pedestrians to stand clear. Never allow anyone to stand or pass under the load or lifting mechanism. It all comes down to awareness of your surroundings. If you're focused on the task at hand and the points previously mentioned, there is significantly less chance that accidents or injuries will occur.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.